Hello mga kachismisan, andito kami sa Canadian border, Eureka and Canada. Ito, look at on my back, nandun pa rin yung bighorn sheep. Nakatayo pa rin siya doon. So we will show you ang border ng United States and Canada. Itong lugar na ito is Eureka, Montana, United States. At look at the sign up here, Living Montana. Ayan. Doon, ayan ang, there, iyan yung Port of Roosevelt. Yan ang Port of Roosevelt. And right now, walang sasakyan dito na pumapasok kasi they close the border because of the virus, of the pandemic. So, nobody is allowed to get in there. Ito naman, on the left side is the United States border. Wala ring mga sasakyan because Canadians are not allowed also to get in. So, iyan ang Port of Roosevelt. Come over here, darling. Ang
There's a truck coming.
what's out here?
Get the truck.
Ang papasok lang dito yung mga nagdadala ng mga essential products. Like this truck coming in, papasok siya ng Canada. So, there he is. Sila lang ang pwedeng pumasok. Oh no, it's a tanker. So, he will be going into Canada. So, ayan, dadaan sa border. Look at that. And i-check dyan.
Essential people.
Essential people only are allowed to get in there. In and out of Canada. So, sa kabila ng border na ito ay Canada na. The first town there is Grasmere. So, ito ang tinatawag na Port of Roosevelt. So, ayan ang Canadian border. Ayan siya. So, ito dito, United States, and on the other side is Canada. Kung hindi before, because walang pandemic, ang traffic dito ay mahaba sa dami ng sasakyan na pumapasok from Canada at sa dami rin ng sasakyan na going into Canada. So yan ang Port of Roosevelt, Canadian border, and on the left side is the United States border. So ito yun siya. Right now, we cannot get in there. Bawal. Look at here. Ang mga wild goats ay nandito sa border. Wild sheep. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayun, oh. Look how they are. Very, very maamo. Look at that. Maamo. Nakatingin. Bakit kanina ka pa nakatingin, ha? Putulin ko yung sungay mo. Joke lang. Yan ang nakakatakot pag lumapit sa'yo kasi sa laki ng sungay, nako, basta, tumba ka talaga. Nahiya naman. My love, I'm talking to him, while are you looking at me? You want me to cut off your horns? Ayan na. Ayan. Huwag kang titingin-tingin sa akin at puputulin ko yung sungay mo. He's looking for his girlfriend andun sa likod ng building na ito. Ayan. I will get closer on this side here. I will get closer. When he runs to me, I will run away very quick. Kasi masubag ako. Buyag. Ayan na. Nandyan ang kanyang girlfriend sa likod. Look at that. Andyan na sila. May meeting sila dyan. Ayun, magtago sa likod ng bahay na yan. Ayun na. Ayun. So, yan ang chismis dito. Sa border. Ito ang teritoryo ng mga wild sheep. Bighorn sheep. At another car, another truck getting into Canada. Sila lang ang makakapasok. Bawal ang mga pasaway. So we stay here in the US air side. Okay, yan ang chismis ni Lorna ngayon. Ang Port of Roswell, leaving Montana. Ayan na, ayan ang sign. There is the sign. Ayan, leaving Montana. So, yan ang aking chismis. Okay, bye-bye. Remember to subscribe on my vlog kasi marami pa akong maichismis sa inyo. Okay? Bye-bye.